How to make the perfect milkshake. The first thing you need is a blender. You need ice cream. You need whipped cream, preferably the extra creamy. You need almond milk. And lastly, you need whipped cream that's in the spraying can. So first, add a couple scoops of ice cream. I prefer 4 to 6 scoops if you're making for, I'd say 2 to 3 people. Next, add 2 to 3 scoops of your whipped cream. 3/4 cup of the almond milk. Okay, now we're ready to actually use the blender. So we'll blend it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now we're ready to pour our delicious vanilla milkshake. Nice and thick, creamy. Now we're able to add our whipped cream in the spray can. All right, so let's test it out. How's it taste?
Delicious.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this milkshake?
100.
A 100. All right, we'll take that.